Hi and welcome to my CAD tutorial, and today I'm going to go through some super basic things for CAD. So number one is, what is a coordinate system? So a coordinate system is a system that uses one or more numbers or coordinates to uniquely determine the position of the point. What is a plane? A plane is an invisible surface to draw 2D geometrics on. What is a axis? A axis is a fixed reference line for the coordinate system. What is a sketch? A sketch is a 2D geometric drawing. What is a feature? A feature is what creates a 3D model, like extrude. So once you open NX, you go over here to New. Press New. You get this window. So here we have to choose Model, Assembly, Shape Studio, and so on. So we're going to go with Model. Then you name it. Just name it New Model. Then here you can choose where it's supposed to be saved. So you go choose where it's going to save, press OK. So now we have opened our model, or our file rather. And now we're going to quickly go through how to create a basic model, just a square. So go home, we press sketch in task, we choose a plane. So in our case, we're going to choose this one. The first time when you're creating your first sketch, it doesn't matter. You just choose one. And there's many different ways to choose one, but often I just press the one that I want to sketch on. Press OK. Then we get into the sketch. So we're gonna create a rectangle. So just like this. Then you can add dimensions like this, like this, and then geometric constraints. We're going to go through all of these in future videos. But for now, we're just gonna let it be like this. We press finish, and then we have to go create a 3D model out of this 2D sketch. So we're gonna go to extrude. Then we're going to choose our sketch like this. Or there's many different ways of choosing the lines that you want to use. So we can press stop at intersection. Then we're gonna get these, and we have to press on all of them. But since we just have a square and nothing else, just gonna highlight and select it all, and then choose our dimensions, and let's just press OK. And now we got a basic 3D model. In future videos, I'm going to go through all these settings and how to do everything, but this is basically how you do a 3D model.